How to customize your steering sensitivity in Off the Road 2. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily adjust the steering sensitivity in OTR 2. So here's how it's done. First of all, launch open the OTR 2 game on your device and go ahead and join into any game, or if you haven't joined into game as well, you can also go ahead and adjust the sensitivity on your steering. Simply find the menu button at the top left and then from the menu select options. Inside options, tap on steering and tap on this little gear icon right next to steering wheel. Now you can go ahead and adjust the camera tilt and steering linearity. Adjust it by dragging the slider left or right. If you want to increase the sensitivity, then drag it towards the right. If you want to decrease it, drag it towards the left. And once you find the best setting, you can now get back and try getting inside a vehicle and see if it works. So right there, you know how you can easily adjust the steering sensitivity on OTR 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.